Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Solution Collection background apps in industrial PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to disable Microsoft Solitaire Collection background apps in industrial PC or laptop, so very easy. First, you click on Start. Type here Setting. After click on Settings. After click on Privacy. Now scroll down. Click on Background Apps. Now scroll down. Here option guys, Microsoft Solitaire collection. So if you want to disable or turn off, just slash to off this. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable Microsoft Solitaire collection background apps in your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.